So here's the next question for today. Do you provide flooring installation? So that's a great question, and we get this every week, if not almost every day. So, like most flooring stores, we are first and foremost a flooring and carpet store, and that means that we sell carpet and flooring to people. We offer installation on the products and flooring that we sell. So some places are first and foremost an installation place. We're first and foremost a flooring and carpet store. So we provide professional installation on all products that we sell. And if you buy something somewhere else, we highly recommend that you have that place install it for you or find your own installer, because we just do not offer installation on products that we do not sell for a lot of reasons, but a lot of it has to come down to warranty issues and things like that. And again, we're first and foremost a carpet and flooring product store. So that's a great question, but we just do not install other people's products because several years ago we kind of came up with an analogy that perhaps might make sense for you, but it wouldn't be too dissimilar to buying a steak at the grocery store and then going to like Outback Steakhouse and saying, Outback, would you cook the steak for me? I'm pretty sure they would tell you no. And it's just the same thing, liability issues, they don't know the quality of it. When you buy something from off the internet or somewhere, we just have no way of verifying how good it is, and it's just best to stick to what we do best with the products that we know and we've vetted and we know will do a good job for you. Those are the ones that we want to sell you to you and to install for you. So if you have any questions on that, please reach out, but we just wanted to answer this question today so you knew.